Alright, welcome back to the final leg of the lesson we had been learning, that is the perfect sentences. Now, previously we had learned that there are two types of helping verbs in German, Haben and Sein, and they're used with the German verbs according to the movement. If the verb has movement, we use Sein, and normally if the verb doesn't have movement, we use Haben, yes? And the past forms are hatten and waren, yes? So with that in mind, we have few sentences in front of us which we'll attempt, and the structure of the sentence is pretty easy. What we've learned thus far, it's like we use the helping verb haben or sein or hatten or waren, depending on the case, depending on the tense. In the second position, yes, I have, ich habe, or ich bin, whatever the case is. And in the end of the sentence, we put the main verb in perfect, yes. Now that's called last position. So perfect, it's also known as in German participle zwei. Yes, that's the technical name, participle zwei. So we put the verb in participle zwei. Now to attempt the sentences we have here, I have 3 steps laid out for you. You need to choose the helping verb. Either will you use haben or sein based on the main verb. Once you found that, you need to identify the tense. Is the sentence in the present or the past tense? When you have found that, you just need to write the main verb in the perfect form. Yes, first identify the verb by looking at the main verb, identify the tense, is it present or past, and then write the main verb in perfect. Let's do it. So the first sentence is I have had enough. So first we'll choose the helping verb based on the main verb. The main verb is had. It's got no movement. That means the helping verb is haben. So the tense is present, it's have. So we'll write ich habe. Then the main verb, as I said, is had. That is also like haben. So we'll change it into past. It becomes gehabt. Yes. So ich habe. Now I'll need to write enough as well. Enough is genug. It's an adverb here. Ich habe genug gehabt. Perfect. I have had enough. Moving forward, I have bought a new house. First point, identifying the helping verb based on the main verb. The main verb is bought. Bought has got no certain movement. Yes, no fundamental movement. So the helping verb is haben. Tense is in the present. So we'll say ich habe. And what? A new house, accusative. So then the das, it'll be das Haus. Very good. And thus, it's a new house. Das neue Haus. Yes, adjective ending E. Yes, accusative definite article, adjective ending is E. If you remember the L shape, ich habe das neue Haus, and the verb is bought. Kaufen, we'll add a GE and end it with a T. Ich habe das neue Haus gekauft. Perfect. He had visited me. All right, now again, we'll find the verb and we'll find the helping verb based on the main verb. The main verb is visited. Now visited is basically not a fundamental movement. We'll choose the helping verb haben. The tense is past. So we'll choose hatten and we'll say hatte. He had. Yes, visited me. Whom had he visited? Me. It's accusative. So ich mich mir. We'll say mich. Mich. And the verb is besuchen. It begins with a B. All the B starting verbs do not get a GE. So we'll write besucht. Not gebesucht. It sounds funny. Besucht. We had read for them a book. So let's get started. We'll identify the helping verb based on the verb. Main verb is to read. No fundamental movement. We'll say haben. The tense is past. So we'll say hatten. Conjugated for wir. Wir hatten. Now, wir hatten. For whom? Dative. For them. Third person. So basically dative third person plural. It'll be sie ihnen. We'll write the little ihnen. Wir hatten ihnen. What had we read for them? A book. Accusative. It'll be like den, die, das. Das has no ending. So it'll be like ein Buch. Yes. The verb is to read. Lesen. We'll add a GE and write gelesen. Fantastic. Yes. Wir hatten Ihnen ein Buch gelesen. If it's too small to see, I can always increase the font size. You could again cross check. Yes. Let's see if we can do it. and I can do it. Okay, perfect. Moving forward, the verb is the sentences we have we met them. So again, it's a question. This time around, we need to identify the helping verb with the help of main verb. To meet is again not a movement, fundamental movement. So we'll begin, the helping verb is haben. It's in the present tense, have. So we'll begin the sentence with the verb. It's a question, so it's conjugated for wir. So we'll say haben wir, have we. Now we'll move forward. Met them. Whom have we met? Accusative. Them. It's third person plural. It's sie ihnen. So we'll pick up sie, the second z, little z. It's haben wir sie. The verb is treffen. We'll add a ge and we'll say end it with a en. The verb changes a bit. Haben wir sie getroffen? Question mark. Okay, had you written for me a letter last year? Now let's find out. It's again a question. The verb is written. Written has got no movement. The helping verb is haben. The tense is past. So we'll make it hatten. Conjugated for you. It'll be ich hatte du hattest. Hattest du for me. For whom? It'll be dative. Ich mich mir. Mir. What? A letter. It's basically accusative. It's masculine. So it'll be den, die, das. We'll choose den, but we don't need the, we need a. So we'll write ein and add a en, einen Brief. And the rest, verb is to write, schreiben. We'll add a ge, geschrieben. Yes, ei changes to ie. Geschrieben, Fragezeichen. Fantastic, yes. Who has worked the most? Okay. To work could be arbeiten, that's the right word. Yes. So let's find out who has worked the most. It's the W-Frage question. We begin with who. What is who? It's like wer, wen, wem, wes. Wer, wen, wem, wesen. Just like der, den, dem, des. So it'll be here wer. Who. Where has worked the most. The verb is to work. No fundamental movement. Helping verb is haben. Tense is present, so we'll use haben conjugated for third person. Wer hat? Yes. Now the most is am meisten. Okay. Wer hat am meisten worked? Worked is arbeiten. We'll turn it into perfect, add a g and say arbeitet, end with a et. T. Okay. Have you all made for me a text? Okay, again a question. We'll begin with the helping verb. Based on the verb made, it's no fundamental movement. The verb is haben in the present tense, so conjugated for you all. It'll be ich habe, du hast, er, sie, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt. Habt ihr, have you all. For me, again for whom? It's dative. Ich mich, mir, mir. Habt ihr mir what? A text. Text is their text, accusative. Yes, so it'll be den, die, das, die. We'll pick up den, but we don't need den. We need indefinite article. We'll put ein plus a en. Habt ihr mir einen Text? And then the verb is to make. It'll be adding a ge, gemacht. What have you done? Okay. Now the verb is to do, where something is not specific. You say getan or tun. Yes. What have you done? The W-Frage is what, was. Have you done? Done has got no fundamental movement. The verb, helping verb is haben. Conjugated in third person, was hast. Here we are saying it to you. Yeah. Was hast. Then we'll say du. Then we'll conjugate. We'll make the perfect of tun. It'll become getan. Was hast du getan? Now, to whom have you delivered the package? Again, what is to whom? It's dative. How will we say to whom? It's basically wer, wen, wem, wesen. Wer, wen, wem, wesen. Yes. So here it's dative. It'll be wem. To whom? Have you delivered the package? To deliver has got no fundamental movement. The verb is haben, present tense, conjugated for you. Wem hast du What das Paket Akkusativ, den die das. The verb is to deliver, liefern, with a GE, geliefert. Yes. Wem hast du das Paket geliefert? Fantastic. We'll also do the last one. What have you shopped? Okay, let's see if we can get this. What have you shopped? So it will be again beginning with the W-Frage was, then the verb depending upon the main verb, shopped, no fundamental movement, haben, so it will be conjugated for you, was hast du. Now the verb is einkaufen, trennbares verb, so we'll write ein and then add ge and then say eingekauft. Yes, Fragezeichen. Perfect. So we'll be moving forward, and that will be in the next part of the lesson, where we'll be doing certain verbs which really got movement. Practice those as well, since we still have only done the verbs without movement. So catch me in the next lesson. We'll continue the practice. So long. This is John Berlin signing off.